10 reasons to use the GetUpside app. You can save money on gas, groceries, and restaurant purchases. I've used it myself. It's pretty nice. It offers a lot of cashback rewards as well. Here's 10 reasons why you should consider downloading it. You get cash back every time you go get gas. Every single time you go get gas, you get cash back. And it shows you how much you'll get back per gallon. It can be up to like 25 cents or more depending on if you're like an Instacart shopper and you get bonuses, or if you're just a regular person using the app, you might get up to like somewhere between 13 to 17 cents per gallon back every time you fill up. It's a good bit. It might be like $1 to $3 every time you fill up. You can redeem your cashback rewards in the form of gift cards, or you can just have the money sent to your bank account or PayPal. I've made about $200 so far, so it's pretty nice. There are no hidden fees or costs associated with the app, so you can save money without any additional expenses. You can download it on Apple or Android. Pretty much any device can use it, so it's simple. Really good security features, so you ain't got to worry about your personal information being sold to other companies. You can use the link in bio if you want to try it out for yourself. Also, by using my link, you get an extra 15 cents back per gallon on top of what it would have been before anyway if you use my link. Also, by recommending it to other people that might want to make money off of something they would have done anyway before they found out about the app without getting cash back by getting gas, because we all need gas unless you're a Tesla user. By sharing it, you also get paid a few cents, pennies on the dollar every time the person you recommended it to uses the app too. So there's a benefit there. Passive income.